Welcome to the Weather Centre once again, everyone, for an update of Monday's conditions. But first, a glance back at Sunday, where we see that on our satellite loop it was cloudy along the southern and east coasts of the country. It was cold over those areas with a bit of light rain as well. A low pressure system is still evident along the west coast, and the system is helping to push in cloud cover over far western South Africa, where we're expecting a few isolated showers and thunder showers to develop. Early morning thunderstorm activity over the far western parts, as well as some rain along the eastern coastline. But as we head into the late morning and early afternoon, conditions will be clearing across both of those areas. Along the western coastline, on the other hand, as onshore flow continues for much of the day, we're expecting it to remain cloudy with light rain extending all the way through to the evening hours. A bit of light rain is possible at first along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, but it will be partly cloudy and dry for the afternoon. Ladysmith and Vryheid reach a high of 21 degrees. Morning fog patches along the eastern escarpment, but mostly sunny for Elliot in the afternoon, with a maximum of 18. A few isolated showers and thunder showers are expected for the morning over the western half of the Eastern Cape, and very similar conditions are expected for the Western Cape province, with thunderstorms extending from the Karoo all the way through to the coastline. Thunder showers are also possible for the Breda River Valley, while along the western coastline we're expecting a mainly cloudy day with light rain at times. A few showers for Calvinia and Sutherland for the morning, otherwise rain is expected up the western coastline as well as for Springbok, where it's going to be cold with a high of only 13. A mild afternoon extends into the central parts of South Africa, 20 degrees for Bloemfontein as well as Welkom, while it will be fairly cold for both Bethlehem and Harrismith. There's very little change expected over the northwest province. It's going to be another clear and cold morning. Sunny skies for the afternoon with temperatures rising just above 20 degrees. Cooler temperatures are forecast for Limpopo's Lowveld. Phalaborwa will become partly cloudy at 22 degrees Celsius, partly cloudy for Mbombela, while it will be mainly clear on the Mpumalanga Highveld, where eMalahleni reaches a high of 19. A similar daytime high for Vereeniging, but starting off just below freezing, while Pretoria warms to 20 degrees once again. It's going to be a gusty afternoon over the western interior of South Africa, 40 kilometers per hour for both Queenstown and De Aard. Looking ahead now to Tuesday, where we're expecting it to be partly cloudy along the eastern coastline, a bit of light rain in places, sunny and dry over the central parts of South Africa. And on Wednesday, another cold front will be approaching Cape Town, keeping things cloudy and wet, and it's going to become increasingly cloudy and wet along the eastern coastline with cooler temperatures for KZN.
News that moves. eNCA.com.